Get ready to experience one of the most amazing hotels that you'll ever stay in, and I hope you get to experience it in real life too. We're diving into pure luxury at the Conrad Orlando, a brand new 5-star escape inside the breathtaking Evermore Resort, just minutes away from Walt Disney World. This place redefines what it means to stay in Orlando with its stunning architecture, elegant rooms, world-class dining, and an 8-acre lagoon that looks like it came straight out of the Caribbean. This is the Conrad at Evermore in Orlando. Hidden inside Evermore Resort, the Conrad Orlando is where calm meets class and every detail feels intentional. It blends luxury, nature, and serenity in a way that few places can. Today, we will rate our experience based on check-in, room, bathroom, view and balcony, pool area, lagoon, dining, resort grounds, service, amenities, overall atmosphere, and value for money. Let's dive into our new adventure. Check-in was super smooth. The staff was so friendly and welcoming. We got our keys, our welcome drink, and within minutes, we were ready to start exploring the resort. The room has a peaceful modern charm, a cozy king bed, soft lighting, and a calm neutral palette that makes it easy to unwind. I also appreciated how practical everything was, with outlets and USB ports right where you need them. The king bed looks incredibly cozy, with soft linens, plush pillows, and that perfect hotel feel where you know you're going to sleep really well. The bathroom continues with that same clean, sophisticated look. Double sinks and amenities that add just the right touch of luxury. It feels like a mini spa, bright, spacious, and beautifully done. And just outside, there's a private balcony overlooking the pool. It's a perfect spot for morning coffee or to unwind at sunset. You can feel the breeze and hear the water. It's calm and peaceful, exactly what you want on vacation. Altogether, it's such a comfortable and well thought out space. Stylish, but still warm and welcoming. It really feels like the perfect balance of luxury and comfort. After a great night's sleep, it's time for breakfast here at Sophie's, the signature restaurant at the Conrad Orlando. It's bright, airy, and the perfect way to start the morning. The views are amazing. The outdoor terrace overlooks the resort grounds with palm trees swaying and just the right amount of morning warmth. It's quiet, relaxing, and a great way to ease into the day. We started off with a smooth cup of coffee while taking in the view. The menu had a great mix of healthy options and classic favorites. We went with the avocado toast with a side of eggs. Simple, fresh, and really flavorful. We also tried the eggs Benedict and it was spot on. The eggs were perfectly poached and everything came together beautifully. Dining outdoors made it even better. The warm breeze, the sound of the water nearby, it all just added to the experience. Breakfast felt relaxed but still very special. Breakfast at Sophie's was such a lovely start to the day. After that, we made our way to explore the lagoon. The heart of the Evermore Resort is the lagoon, and this place is stunning. Crystal clear blue water surrounded by soft white sand, and it feels more like a tropical island in Orlando. The lagoon is perfect for cooling off or just floating around under the Florida sun. There's also plenty to do if you want a bit of adventure. You can paddleboard, kayak, or take a relaxing ride across the lagoon. It's a fun way to explore while still keeping that calm resort vibe. If relaxing is more your thing, there are comfy beach chairs, private cabanas, and shaded spots to just unwind. The whole setup feels thoughtfully designed. Every corner has a view that makes you want to stay a little bit longer. And whether you're here to swim, explore, or simply do nothing at all, the lagoon gives you space to do it your way. It's peaceful, beautiful, and the kind of place that makes you forget you're still in the middle of Orlando. The lagoon is what really sets the Evermore experience apart. It's relaxing, refreshing, and easily one of the highlights of our stay here at the Conrad. Walking around the resort grounds is such a pleasure. The landscaping is lush and meticulously maintained, with palm trees, flowers, and little water features around every corner. Everything is easy to navigate, so whether you're heading to the lagoon or pool, or even to your room, the paths are so smooth and inviting. The vibe here is calm, peaceful, and perfectly designed for a relaxing getaway. Service at the Conrad is top-notch. The staff are attentive without being intrusive, genuinely warm, and always ready to help. From check-in to poolside assistance, everyone we interacted with made the stay effortless and enjoyable. The amenities here cover everything you could need. There's a well-equipped fitness center, a luxurious spa, and even shuttle services that make getting around Orlando easy. Plus, the pool, lagoon, and dining options mean you hardly ever have to leave the resort to have a full, fun, and relaxing day. The overall atmosphere is serene and luxurious without feeling stuffy. The combination of beautiful design, water views, and soft background music around the pool and lagoon creates a mood that's perfect for unwinding. For the level of comfort, service, and experiences you get here, the Conrad Orlando definitely delivers. It's an investment in a stress-free, high-quality stay, and for us, it was worth every moment. All in all, our stay at the Conrad Orlando at Evermore was everything we hoped for and more. From the seamless check-in and the beautiful comfortable room to breakfast at Sophie, the lagoon, and all the resort amenities, every detail felt thoughtful and high quality. If you're visiting Orlando and want a mix of luxury, relaxation, and fun right at your doorstep, the Conrad at Evermore is an experience worth every moment. It's a resort that makes you feel cared for, refreshed, and ready to enjoy the day. Let's take a quick look at the fitness center here at the Conrad Orlando. It's small but well equipped, perfect if you want to squeeze in a workout during the day. There are cardio machines, free weights, and resistance equipment. Everything you need for a solid session. The space feels bright, clean, and modern with large windows letting in plenty of light. It's not huge, but it's efficient and practical. A nice option for anyone who wants to stay active while enjoying a luxury resort stay. A thoughtful touch we noticed was that towels are readily available on every machine. It's small details like this that make the attention to detail here truly impeccable.